at Alexandria. At Brainerd, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 67. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 68 at Mankato, 64 at St. Cloud, 66 at Duluth, 66 at Hibbing, and 61 at Marshall. Around Wisconsin, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Osceola and 67 at Wausau. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 67 at Eau Claire, 71 at Madison, 72 at Green Bay, and 72 at Milwaukee. At La Crosse, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 63. At Rice Lake, the weather conditions were not available. Across the eastern Dakotas, at Fargo, it was sunny, with a temperature of 68. At Watertown, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 62. At Sioux Falls, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 62. In Iowa, at Sioux City, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 69. At Des Moines, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 60.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is weather radio station KEC